So now one other thing I wanted to test out is if the tablet is capable of playing 4K video clips, because if you have a external hard drive like I have hooked up here using the USB Type-C or the USB, you want to be able to know that you're going to be able to play some video files. So I have one of my reviews that I did on the smartboard for part 1. It is in 4K, so we'll see how well that runs. That's right here. We'll click on that. And as you can see, it's definitely able to play it and it runs just fine. Looks great in 4K and it's perfectly smooth. I'll turn up the volume so you guys can hear. And it's not just made for any one person. Anybody can find a use for this smartboard, whether you're a business and you do a lot of conferencing, or you're a teacher, you work from home or in a school. Even for me being a content creator, this monitor would be great for behind the camera. So as you can see, it doesn't have any issues playing 4K video from a file, especially on an external hard drive.